So let's create a more complicated job. In this case, we're going to do a rendering request for an island exhibit. So I have pre-filled in the various forms here. I've clicked the Submit with File button that was down here before. So now the system asks me for files. I can upload as many files as I want. And I've just uploaded a test file here. And now let's click Submit. And since we chose rendering request, this is a special type of submission. So now it's going to ask me for information about the rendering. So here I can say that the exhibit is a 30 by 30, and the system will calculate the square footage. I can fill in a set of details here. I can add any comments, make it beautiful, and this is a direction for the artists. Now down here I can choose various special details like kiosks, and I can fill in the information about kiosks, if there's tables, if there's special lighting. So all of this and I can choose a type of hardware, I can choose the design direction, I can choose whether there's artistic license, and this gives the artist all the information they need to be able to begin doing their rendering request. So let's go ahead and submit this, and it sends me directly to the art work order form. The rendering becomes a type of art work order and will flow to the art work order queue, and I have to estimate how many hours it's going to take, and I have to tell the artist when the layout is due, and I have to give them a hard due date as well. And I can say anything special in here, make this a great rendering. And when I submit, there's nothing going on here because I'm not submitting any part numbers for art. I'm just asking for the rendering. So once I submit, it will create the rendering saved successfully. The rendering request is now in the system.